Hello, friends. Welcome to Technology and You. Today we are doing the unboxing of, yes, the new Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max. We'll do a small comparison with last year's 12 Pro Max and see any physical differences which are there. We'll get into the technical differences in the later videos. So let's open the Amazon package which I received today in the morning. I've ordered the top end model and it is the golden color. There it is. So I've got 13 Pro Max with 1 terabyte space in it so that I'm never going out of memory in my phone. So my iPhone has always been the main device. I always use it for all my purpose, whether it is the camera, whether it is the banking, calls, anything, messaging, everything is done with my iPhone. So I'm comparing the boxes. It's almost of the same size. There's no difference. Of course, the outer design is slightly different. Here we can see an iPhone image on top of it. So let's open it. The box seal is just like the iPad mini which we had unboxed in the last video. This is something new which Apple has come up with. Wow, this really looks beautiful. So as I said, this is a golden color one. Let's keep the phone aside and see what's there in the box. Don't feel like leaving it. So what we're getting in the box is the charging cable and nothing else. The paperwork and the SIM ejector tool. That's it. There's nothing else in the box. The phone feels awesome as usual. The iPhones are always good to hold. They are slightly heavier. And to be very frank, I feel it better if it is slightly heavier. Let's remove the cover. Wow. The golden color really looks nice. So here we'll keep both them side to side. There is my iPhone 12 Pro Max and this is the new 13 Pro Max. I'm trying to set it up. Hello. Let's swipe it up and open the new iPhone. So now as you try to set it up, the other iPhone will ask you to set it up with the help of scanning this typical Apple barcode which comes up. So this is a very easy way to setting up any new Apple device. Just scan that thing and the device will start setting up on its own. Enter the passcode and there it goes. Let's compare the physical difference in both these iPhones. The height and the width is exactly the same. The thickness is slightly more this time. iPhone 13 Pro Max is slightly thicker than iPhone 12 Pro Max. And it's slightly heavier. The height is exactly the same. The width is exactly the same as mentioned. Now if we look at the camera bump, as we all know, the cameras are much bigger this time, so obviously the camera bump is thicker. So there we are. One more difference that we can see very prominent on the screen is the notch on the top. It is smaller this time. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel so that I can come up with more such videos. Thank you. Keep safe. Cheers.